Attaché's Timesheets is an online application that eliminates paperwork and streamlines processes, leaving employees and managers to do what they do best. Employees can enter their timesheet data on the go using their mobile, tablet, or desktop. So, no more chasing employees and managers for approved timesheets on payroll processing day. Attaché Online Timesheets can be accessed anywhere, anytime online. It is reliable, eliminating paper timesheets that can be forgotten or misplaced. Employees can enter timesheet data day by day, leaving no room for error or misplaced information at the end of a timesheet period. Attaché Online Timesheets are efficient. The request is approved and sent to Attaché Payroll. It has the ability to capture, link to, and store supporting documents. And you can track non-payroll employees, such as contractors, hours worked. To define the day of the week your timesheet period starts from and the time entry format, log into Attaché Express Leave. From the Company Admin menu, select Company Details. At Start Timesheets On, select the day of the week your timesheet period starts. At Timesheet Entry Format, select whether you wish to have the timesheet entered in decimals or minutes. You will also need to set up the time types that the employees can select from when entering a timesheet. Any leave types that have been created for Express Leave will be available for employees to add to their timesheets. Only create time types that are not related to leave, such as overtime, normal time, etc. To create a time type, click Create Time Type. Enter a brief description so employees can easily identify and select the appropriate time type when entering a timesheet. Enter the corresponding income type code as set up in your desktop payroll company. If you do not enter an income type code, the timesheet transaction will not be imported to your desktop company for pay processing. A tip: leave this field blank for pay elements in Attaché Online Timesheets that you do not want to import and process in your desktop company. For example, training days, company events, working from home. Enter any notes, guidelines, or additional information that you want to display to employees. Once completed, click Save. Enabling timesheets for your employees. Under Manage Users, you can turn timesheets on for selected employees. This ensures that employees who are not required to enter a timesheet cannot do so in error. To enable timesheets for your employees, from the Company Admin menu, select Manage Users. Click Create New User, or for an existing employee, choose Edit. Select Yes to Timesheets Enabled and click Save. You have now turned timesheets on for the selected employee. Employees can create new timesheets by logging into Attaché Express Leave. From the My Timesheets menu, select My Timesheets and click on Create New Timesheet. Select the appropriate time type and input the hours for the day. Click Add Row if different time types are needed. Select the approver and place any comments in the comments field. Attach any documents if required and click Submit. The Timesheets calendar is a visual representation of all your timesheets. The manager will be sent timesheets for approval. Log into Express Leave. From the Manage Approvals menu, select Approve Timesheets. You can view attachments in the period column. Click Review to review the timesheets, and click Approve to approve the timesheet, ready for the next pay run. The employee will receive an email saying the timesheet is now approved. To check leave and/or timesheet transactions to be processed, log into Attaché Express Leave. From the Review and Process menu, select Check Pay Period. In the last day of pay cycle field, enter the pay period ending date. At Submission Types, select whether you want to review leave transactions, timesheet transactions, or both, that is all transaction types. Click Apply Filter. A list of leave and/or timesheet transactions for the period is displayed. To change the sort order of the data, click the filter icon besides the column headings. Check if there are any transactions with the status of pending approval and follow up with the relevant employee or manager to approve or reject the request. If you wish to reassign the approval for that transaction only to a different manager or approver, choose from the drop-down list in the Assigned column. Leave or timesheet transactions that have the status of pending approval at the time of processing can be approved by an Express Leave Administrator or HR Manager. Thank you for watching this Attaché Online Timesheets video. More information can be obtained from our Help Center at myattache.attachesoftware.com.